And in today's video we're going to be looking at how to use Kikoff credit. I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to use Kikoff credit when that is for online shopping. So if you want to use Kikoff credit for online shopping, these are the steps to take. Step 1, you have to go to an online retailer that accepts Kikoff credit. Next, you have to choose Kikoff credit as a payment method during checkout. And next, you have to enter your Kikoff credit account information, like your account username and password. Confirm transaction details and then authorize the payment. Once you've done this, finish the checkout process and the payment will be deducted from your Kikoff credit account. It's as simple as that. It's important to note that it's very important for you to know that you should make sure you have sufficient credit available on your Kikoff credit account. And Kikoff might have specific terms and conditions such as interest rates and fees. Also keep your Kikoff credit account information secure to prevent unauthorized transactions. Hope you found the video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.